The Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is coming. Plenty of people are curious for much awaited as well as the most special tablet from Android category. Yes, we are talking about none other than Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 series. Samsung used to unveil two tablets every year in the Galaxy Tab S series, regular model and Plus model. Even the last year, Samsung revealed the Tab S7 and S7 Plus at the same time. But it seems that Samsung will introduce three tablets at the same time in 2021. The news is coming from Korea. This time there will be three Samsung tablets in the flagship lineup. As we know, almost a month ago, the codename of these tablets has been leaked in Korea. Basket 1, which is Tab S8, Basket 2, Tab S8 Plus, and Basket 3, Tab S8 Ultra. Samsung is bringing Ultra model even in the Tab. Samsung introduced their first Ultra phone back in 2020, the Galaxy S20 Ultra, then the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now they are going with the Ultra tablet, which is going to be the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. I'm pretty sure this will be called an Ultra tablet. We are going to talk about almost everything like price, specification, release date and more. Take a look at screen first. Tab S8 will have a 11-inch 120Hz IPS LCD display. Tab S8 Plus will have a 12.4-inch 120Hz OLED display, and the Tab S8 Ultra will have a 14.6-inch 120Hz OLED display. The regular Tab S8 and the Tab S8 Plus is acceptable according to the screen size. But when it comes to the Ultra model tablet, that's pretty massive, I would say. For example, 12.9-inch iPad Pro is really bigger as well as heavier compared to shorter one. Most of the people don't buy 12.9-inch iPad Pro just because of its weight as well as massiveness. They go for 11-inch iPad Pro. What is exactly main reason Samsung is making 14.6-inch massive tablet? No suspect the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is going to be the biggest tab in the tablet industry ever. But it doesn't even mean that because of being so big, it's going to be thicker as well as heavier. The 11-inch Tab S8 is 0.63 cm thicker and 502 grams heavier. The Tab S8 Plus is 0.57 cm thicker and 575 grams heavier. And finally, the 14.6-inch Tab S8 Ultra is 0.55 cm thicker and 650 grams heavier. The Tab S8 Ultra is thinner than the Tab S8 and S8 Plus. All three tablets will have 13 plus 5 megapixel dual rear camera and also 8 megapixel front facing camera. But the Tab S8 Ultra will have an additional 5 megapixel ultra wide angle selfie camera. All three tablets will feature S Pen out of the box. Tab S8 is gonna have 8000 mAh battery. The Tab S8 Plus is gonna have 10,090 mAh battery. And the Tab S8 Ultra is gonna have 12,000 mAh battery. Battery capacity is not the same in all three tablets, but all three tablets will support 45-watt charging capability. The Tab S8 and S8 Plus will be in two storage variants, 8GB plus 128GB and 8GB plus 256GB. The Tab S8 Ultra will also be in two storage variants, but different, 8GB plus 128GB and 12GB plus 512GB. The Galaxy Tab S8 will start at the cost of $740. The Tab S8 Plus will start at $1120 and the Tab S8 Ultra will start at $1320. You can also see converted Indian price. All three tablets are likely to be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus or 888 chipset. But who knows, Samsung might surprise all of us by including AMD GPU chipset into all three tablets. But this seems to be rare. Usually Samsung introduced their Tab S series in unpacked August. Even in 2021, Samsung might introduce their all three tablets along with the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Or Samsung might go for another date for all three tablets. Do a comment below how much you are excited for the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. If you love the universe of tech, this is your own tech channel. You should consider subscribing. By the way, a great thank you for watching the video. I will see you in the next one, and now I wanna wind up the video.